Hello and welcome to Rupee Rakshak News of 1st September 2023. I'm your host Raghu Rao. Very good to see you again. This week we are going to bring you some exciting ways to invest your money and some very interesting news and tips to grow your money. Rupee Rakshak News is coming to you from Finmo, a SEBI registered financial advisor. What that means is we don't give you information and say it is just for education purpose. Instead, this is authentic, unbiased information that you can use for your investments as an investor. Now let us look at the derivatives markets. Now let us hear from our expert Mr. Sep'23 on the derivatives market updates for this week.
Hello everyone, this is Sep'23 from Finmo Research Desk. Let's quickly look into Nifty Bank Nifty derivative analysis for the next week projection. Nifty has been closing red for consecutive 6th week. So this week also Nifty closed in red and it is minus 0.48%. Bank Nifty also closed red this week. Bank Nifty has closed at minus 0.55%. Let's now look into the derivative data of Nifty. So moving on to the next week expiry of Nifty option chain. Looking at the levels, as we see, 19,200 has the highest put writing and 19,400 has the highest call writing. So as of now, 19,200 will be acting as a strong support and 19,400 will be the resistance. Looking at 19,300, we see maximum volume being traded. So there is a possibility Nifty will move up towards 19,400 and from there it can get a resistance. And also we see there is the second highest build up on the downside, which is at 19,000 level. So if 19,200 is broken, there is a possibility Nifty can move towards 19,000 level. But Nifty resistance, which is 19,400, is looking to be quite strong. Now let us move into Bank Nifty. As we can see in Bank Nifty, 44,000, which market is currently trading at, has the highest being written on the put side. So, and also you can see there is additional build up happening at 44,000 level. So currently 44,000 looks to be a very strong support. On the upper side, 44,500 has the maximum YN volume. So 44,500 will be acting as a strong resistance. If you look at the second highest put writing, that is down below at 43,500. So there is a possibility if 44,000 level is broken, it may slide down towards 43,500. But as of now, 44,000 level is looking quite strong. So that's all about Nifty and Bank Nifty derivatives analysis for the next week. Thanks.
Thank you, Sumant, for your updates on the derivatives segment. Okay. Mohan, the American derivatives market is considered to be more mature and older than the Indian derivatives market. So how do you compare the two? Which is a bigger market?
Very good question, Raghu, because a lot of people have no idea about the markets in India and US. In fact, if I have the data with me from the Bloombergs, which says which are the countries which have the highest market capitalization. So US, in the world, the market capital, 44% of the market capital in the world belongs to US. The second highest is China with 9.6% of the entire market capital of the world. And the third highest is Japan with 5.5% and fourth is India and it has 3.3% of the world market capital. So in equity market, India is the fourth place, 3.3% of the world market vis-a-vis 44% of the US. Now you ask the question on options, derivatives market, which is bigger. So the data that I have, it says US being the biggest market in the equity with 44% of the world market capital has a turnover, daily option turnover of $1,394. Now how much is India? Any guess? It should be lesser, right? If it is $1,394 billion in US, that is the derivatives volume, daily derivative volume. India having not 1/10 of US market capital, it should have been at least 1/10. But the surprising thing is, India's size of the daily options market is 3,393 vis-a-vis $1,394 billion of US, which is 3 times bigger is Indian derivatives market.
Yes.
The daily turnover I am talking about.
So Mohan, who are the participants in this market? Retailers or institutions, and are they making money?
That's again a very interesting question. Like I said, Indian market is 3 times bigger than the US market on derivatives and option daily turnover. Now, who is making money? Who is losing money? As per the data from SEBI, this recent data, it says out of 100 traders, 90% or out of 100, 90 people are losing money. They are making losses. So, if I have to connect all these dots, what it means, there is 3 times more volume in the option trading market, and that 3 times more volume is coming from the retailers in India, and 90 out of 100 are losing money. So, the underlying fact is that we, the common people who are putting 10,000, 20,000 in a daily trade, we are the people who are losing. So, please don't do this. Don't think that you can make money and come into the market, trade in options without knowing the nitty-gritties of it, and you are getting completely beaten out by the market. So, please don't trade in options unless you are an expert.
Thank you, Mohan.
Thank you.
That's the derivatives updates for you this week. If you like our news and views, subscribe to Rupee Rakshak News channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching Rupee Rakshak News.